Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about cyber security. It also includes hacking and cyber security scope, also ethical hacking. The onset of the digitalization era has opened up a lot of opportunities for everyone, especially business and enterprises. From mobile banking to online shopping, everything is just one click away. The more you connect with digital aspect, the higher the risk of security, vulnerability for your sensitive and confidential data. 6 days ago, all medias reported one news: Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Twitter account hacked. Did you ever think how safe our valuable data in this online platform? So what is hacking? Hacking is an attempt to exploit a computer system or a private network inside a computer. It is an unauthorized access to or control over computer network security system for some illicit purpose. So, how the companies and enterprises are securing their critical data and combating these threats? The answer is cybersecurity. So now let's learn one definition for cybersecurity. Computer security, cyber security, or information technology security is the protection of computer system and networks from the theft of or damage to their hardware, software, or electronic data, as well as from the disruption or misdirection of the services they provide. Technically, cybersecurity is the body of the technologies, processes, and practices designed to protect network, computers, programs, and data from attacks, damages, or unauthorized access. The goal of cybersecurity is to reduce the risk of cyber attacks and protect organizations and individuals from the intentional or unintentional attack of security, weak network systems and technology. For example, you like one product on Amazon or any online platform and plan to buy. On the way to checkout, you are given option to pay through debit card, credit card or UPI. With millions of users sharing such sensitive information over the platform, did you ever think how the companies like Amazon, Flipkart or any online platform try to protect this information? How the Facebook and Google is also managed to secure the confidential information of millions of users? Well, from the new privacy policies to security-focused patents to use the concept artificial intelligence for the data security, each company is expanding its own data protection to encourage user trust. With the increasing advancement in digital world, cybersecurity threats and attacks will keep getting more complex as hackers learn to adopt the security strategies. This one increased the widespread requirement of cybersecurity. So nowadays, companies are ready to pay more for highly talented cybersecurity professionals in order to protect their vulnerable assets from cyber attacks. That means the job opportunities are high in this area. Next, we are going to discuss about 5 different types of cybersecurity. We are not going so detailed in this topic, but just learn we have 5 types of cybersecurity. Critical infrastructure security, application security, network security, cloud security, Internet of Things security. Next, we'll discuss about the common types of cyber attacks. This topic also we are not going so detailed. Just learn the names what we are using for common types of cyber attacks. Malware, phishing, man in the middle attack, denial of service attack, SQL injection, zero-day exploit, DNS tunneling. Nowadays, This one particular word is very familiar for everyone, hacker. Behind all the cybersecurity attacks and threats, we can see one hacker. So what is a hacker? There are two main factors that determine what type of hacker an individual is: their motives and legality of their actions. Hackers are divided into three types: white, black, and grey hat hackers. Now let's see the comparison of white, grey, and black hat hackers. White hat hackers considered the good people because they follow the rules when it comes to hacking into system without permission and obeying responsible disclosure laws. Grey hat hackers may have good intentions but may not disclose flaws for immediate fix, prioritize their own perception of right versus wrong over what the law might say. And the black hat hackers considered as cyber criminals exploit security flaws for personal or political gain or for fun. Now we'll discuss about ethical hacking. What is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is an authorized practice of bypassing system security into identify potential data breaches and threats in a network. Those who are doing in this ethical hacking, we call them ethical hackers. These ethical hackers aims to investigate the system or network for weak points that malicious hackers can exploit or destroy. Next, what are hacking ethics? Ethical hacking, better known as penetration testing, involves purposeful hacking into a computer network by a qualified person for purposes of testing a system's security. Ethical hackers. Ethical hackers, on the other hand, are people who work for the government or other organizations to protect data or deal with crime. This is why these individuals are ethical hackers. Of course, the term hackers may confuse you a bit, but here a hacker is only used because an ethical hacker also has the same level of intelligence and knowledge in the field, but they are using it for the benefit of government organizations and other organizations. Now, what are the things to remember to protect our valuable data? First, never assume you are safe online. Today's online world is convenient with apps for everything and access to our personal finances and our most personal information just a tap away on our smartphones. But convenience comes at a price. This very ease in use is at the center of the problems we are facing today. Cyber theft is largely based on hackers using your personal information against you. The biggest culprit is social media. Wherever you update your status on any of many platforms, you are giving away information about yourself which artificial intelligence can capture. Through this means hackers can develop a profile on you and your personal habits, including determining where you bank, where you eat, which gym you frequently using. Most people do not realize they are making it easy for hackers to target them by announcing their profiles to the world. Third, do not use free services such as Wi-Fi, email, and cloud data storage. While many of these online services are household names and extremely popular, such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, etc., they are all inherently secure. In addition, your privacy is compromised when you use them. Remember the old saying, nothing is really free. Fourth thing, consider using an encrypted email services to protect the privacy and security of your message. If you insist on staying with Gmail, Yahoo Mail or any other free email services, assume your messages can be read by anyone. Therefore, do not send any sensitive or personal data through this free email services like your credit card numbers, passwords, etc. Fifth, always remember that when you connect to Wi-Fi in a coffee shop, hotel, airport, everywhere nowadays free Wi-Fi services are available. If you are connecting like that, you are exposing yourself to virtually every single person who is logged on at the same time. Many hackers hanging out on public Wi-Fi just waiting for the opportunity to strike. Next, do not do online banking through apps. Apps are created by third-party developers and there is no way to know they are secure. Your life savings could wiped out simply by using an app with security holes. Next, we have all heard this in a million times, but I don't know we are following or not this one. It's a simple thing. Do not use the same password for all your accounts. Also, be sure to change them regularly. The easiest way to handle this is through an inexpensive password manager. So today we discussed about cybersecurity, hacking, different types of hackers, ethical hacking, and how to protect your data from cyber attacks. Hope you all understood the basic knowledge about cybersecurity, hacking, and ethical hacking. Thank you, children. We'll continue with some other interesting topic. Happy learning.